Has anyone here ever wondered how drugs and alcohol affect relationship? One of the things that I read is about resentment. Through a person can recover from drug and substance abuse, but a person that support and help this person, particularly at home, also needs support. I read an article about a woman. Her husband recovered, but along the journey of recovery and sobriety, the time that she put up with everything and all the trouble, the drug that misused the alcohol, has entertained without knowing the wife, the girlfriend, or the partner has resented it all. So make sure you check on your relationship. You check on your partner, how your partner is ever coping. Drug and alcohol dependency, drug and alcohol misuse affected your relationship with the other person that you sleep with, that you eat with, that prepare your food, that look after your home. It's a big time. You recover, but they don't. There's a trauma attached to drug abuse, to the person that's drug abusing, and to the person that's trying to help the person recover from drug use. Be conscious, be aware, follow for more.